Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 19th, 2025, we're analyzing Meta, ticker symbol Meta, focusing on the latest news and technical chart data. Recent news indicates a delay in Meta's Behemoth AI model, as well as analyst predictions of a potential stock price increase to $995 by the beginning of the next decade. We'll examine how these events correlate with Meta's stock performance. Let's begin by examining the daily chart to grasp the broader trends. We will first look at the long-term trends present in the data to see what's been going on with the price of Meta. We will later also look at shorter time frames. With the news about Behemoth's release and the wide range of analyst estimates, it's definitely worth looking at the data to see how to interpret the news. Looking at the daily chart, we can see Meta had a strong upward trend starting from early 2024. However, April 2025 brought significant volatility, with a sharp drop followed by a partial recovery. A potential resistance level appears to be around $640, where we have seen the price bounce off. The stock price has been struggling to remain at high levels lately, but the overall consensus target still remains quite high. However, delaying the Behemoth release may slow down the time horizon analysts envision for Meta's increase to $995. Now, let's zoom in on the hourly chart to examine recent price action more closely. This will provide a more granular view of potential short-term trading opportunities and the immediate impact of any news events. By analyzing this more recent data, we will be able to see a much better picture of how traders reacted to the AI delay. It is more difficult to spot the smaller movements in the daily chart. On the hourly chart, we observed increased volatility in recent sessions. The price is having trouble going above $660. We can also examine the 15-minute time frame to see finer movements. The 15-minute chart shows recent choppiness, with the price struggling to establish a clear direction. Zooming in on the last few days, we can see some action near the $630 levels. The price action in the last hour shows the price struggling to go above $640. Overall, the daily chart reveals a longer-term uptrend with some bumps along the way. The hourly chart paints a picture of volatility, potentially driven by short-term reactions to news. The 15-minute chart shows very short-term trading behavior and gives clues on a good price to get in and out. Considering the analyst price target of $995, Meta still has potential upside, but the timeline might be affected by the Behemoth delay. A key level to watch is $640. A sustained break above this resistance could signal renewed bullish momentum.